Hey guys, JB here. Welcome to the community as always. Super pumped that you're with me today. I got another unboxing, and this one's a little unusual. I was on Facebook, and you can see it here. I was looking, and this ad came up for this presence display that always displays positive information, and I'll explain it as we're getting into it here. And what's cool is I used to, if you remember the store Successorities, I used to get those posters, and they always had statements. I had them all over. In fact, somebody once said, JB, do you need help with motivation? Because I had it all over my house. I used to take those things and put them everywhere. And now, you know, they came out with this new display, and it's a really interesting company that I think this thing could be pretty cool. We'll see. But the idea is to have motivational sayings around you and being able to see those motivational sayings. So here we go. We got it in the box. They packaged it pretty good. We got a lot of stuff on it. And it's called a presence. So we can see it right here. You can see the box is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what you get. It says to get started, scan this QR code with the phone's camera and go, and you can get welcome. And we'll do that in a minute as soon as I get this unboxing and we look at the actual unit itself. And I'll put the link down below. I did sign up for their affiliate program, which is cool. They have one. So at least if this is something that interests you, you can go check it out. So here, presence, love, motivation, awareness. Okay, let's see. Nice box. Okay, we've got a setup guide. So let's see, what do we have in here? We have a setup guide. Presence. Change your thoughts, change your world. I think Wayne Dyer said that. I love that. Okay, what do we got? We got some stickers in here, some presence stickers. And we have to scan and get the app, which we're going to do in a minute. Here's how to assemble it. Okay, and then you put it on this base. So we'll get it assembled to get it set up here and take a look at it. And we got a thank you from the co-founder, Ashley, who says, well, this is an exciting moment. I want to personally thank you for bringing presence into your world. We gratefully appreciate your support and hope the presence makes a difference in your day every day. Please reach out with your feedback so we can provide with a best experience possible. Ashley Sage. So that's kind of cool. Any questions? She actually gives you her email here, which is great. And here we go. So we got a device. And people say, well, why can't you just use an iPad? Well, I guess you could. But this is kind of a cool thing they've come up with that gives you a saying on a daily basis. So let's go ahead and take this out. So it's in plastic here. And like I said, it's got a little plastic on it to keep the display nice and neat. Okay, so there's the display. Okay, it's got a foam piece here. We have a base. Ooh, nice metal base. This is actually put together pretty nice. Let's go ahead and open that up and take that out. Okay, a nice base to it. Okay, we have the pole that it sits on. Okay, let's take that out. Okay, so we got that. We got the pull. We have the charging. This is a charger. So we take that out. Okay, and I like this. They got a fiber cable. A little nice touch. When you spend the money on something, you know, you never know what to expect. And we've got let's put that here and here. And we have the cable, which is a braided cable. Nice leather piece holding it together, which is great. Little touches, right? That's a nice little touch there. That's pretty cool. So let's get it set up. And I'll get things set up for you. We'll test it out. Let's go through the app and take a look at things and see how this works. But pretty cool. Let me get it set up for you, and we'll be right back. Okay, out of the gate, you can see that it's starting to put out these quotes. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it's going on. Let's go ahead and set it up. Finding your display. Finding your Wi-Fi network. May take up to 3 minutes. So, look at the world as a reflection of your inner state, Deepak. Okay, so we're getting set up here. Joining the Wi-Fi network. So they have these things called rays where you can send specific things to it. So as you can see, we're connecting here, which is pretty cool. New device has connected. That's good to know. Okay, we are now connected. I'll say I'm ambitious. Okay, here we go. So we've got some stuff going on in here. Press play on the playlist. Okay, let's push play. Words by Brene Brown. Now rang. This is your now raying screen where you can dive deeper into the ray currently playing. Okay, sounds good. So let's see. Vulnerability sounds like the truth and looks like courage. Okay, so that's cool. So I think it just, let's see. Yeah, there it goes. Then it changes. When it hurts, observe life is trying to teach you something. So these are rays that continually go, and you always have kind of stuff. So you can go there. Okay, let's see what else we got. We can go home. There's Gabby Bernstein, actually a friend of mine. She's with Hay House. I know Gabby. Let's see. We've got getting to know. There's all kinds of stuff that you can do within the app, which is pretty cool. I think that's what they're going to build out is their app. So discover your private word from Jay Shetty. View more. Okay, so there's all kinds of ways we can do. Empower your greatness. Let's go ahead and play that one and see what happens as it comes on. View and ray. Tap the presence emblem to view any ray within the app. Okay, try it now. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, then it comes on here. Cool. So never regret a day in your life. Good day brings you happiness. Bad days bring you experience. Oprah. Okay, that's kind of cool. And you press the button and it just kind of gets going. Let's see, which one was this one? This one says, everything you want is just outside your comfort zone. So kind of cool. It's a cool little display. I wanted to shoot a video to kind of show you how it worked. And this is something you put in your office, and it's constantly giving you those words of encouragement, which is pretty cool. The app is pretty cool. Again, I'm just getting started with it, so I'll do a follow-up video in a couple weeks, tell you if it has any impact. Obviously, as a motivational guy, a morning coach, and the things we do, pretty cool little device, cool display. You can have these in different offices and different rooms to keep you motivated. It's pretty cool, and it seems like it just switches when it's running. Everything you want is just outside your comfort zone. So I think you probably set up your settings to see how much it needs to change. And we can figure out how to set up how many minutes and all that. I'll kind of look into that to see how this thing goes. So as always, put some comments down below. What do you think about this device? Is this something pretty you would be into? The link is there. Yes, I did sign up for the affiliate program, so I get a small commission if you do buy one. But I purchased this. I'm no way affiliated with the company. They don't even know I'm doing this video. This is just me doing a review like I typically do. But I thought it was pretty cool because it was like this motivational kind of display that you can put. And yeah, you can put an iPad or, do a lot of other things. But this one is just cool. I don't know what the buttons do on the back. Okay. Oh, that switches it. Okay, that's kind of cool. So buttons on the back switch it. There's a couple buttons. Take the risk or lose the chance. That's kind of cool. So if you push the button on the back, it changes it. And it changes on both. I never dreamed about success. I work for it. Estee Lauder. So pretty cool. So these are different quotes that you're going to get. Hold the vision. Trust the process. I love that. For those of you using the planner, that's a good one. So let me know in the comments down below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support of the channel. You subscribe, that helps us. Hit the like button, that helps us. That's what it's about. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. We got a lot of videos coming, a lot of unboxings. Go have a great day. Hey, thanks so much for watching the end. Super cool. It really does make a big difference in our business and what we do here. This is a challenging thing to do on YouTube. There's a lot of noise. And if you hit that subscribe, it helps us. And if you hit that alert bell, it'll let you know when we put videos out. And just by watching and hitting that like button, it really does make a difference. And we really appreciate you. So you can hit that subscribe or go to that next video right here and take a look at some of the other videos we're doing. All right. Thanks so much for being a part of this community.